What's up, everybody? Appreciate you all for joining the channel. Hussein Reyes Trader, HRT here. I'm here for what? I'm here to take a look at the market and say, hey, this is my strategy, this is my setup. All right. Once the market provides me my strategy, my setup, I execute my plan. So right now, this is the pre-market. As you guys can see, this is SPY, the pre-market, and I'm gonna go ahead and mark the supply and demand based on where the wicks are at. Right, and this is the 10-minute time frame, by the way, and I also use a 30-minute to compare it to verify further. So let's go ahead and mark this level here, which also happens to be the high of the pre-market. All right, cool. And then, well, this is the low, so might as well mark the low as well, even though there's no wick there, which is fine. All right, cool. What are we seeing here? There's a wick right here, also supported by this one, so we can definitely mark this one for sure. There we go. You guys see that? Cool. Oh, this is my long term, so I need to focus on that. All right, cool. I think it's all we're seeing so far with major levels for today here. There's also some level here, so I do gotta mark this one, which got a lot of backing, as you guys can see. Which got a lot of backing. You see this level here? So cool. These are the levels for SPY essentially, as well as here. You know, but I prefer this here, so we're fine. All right, cool. That's pretty simple for SPY. So let's take a look at a quick bird's eye view. So this is the, oh wow, this is the high that I did yesterday, ain't it? Take a look at this. This is pretty good. We gotta mark this spot for sure, just to know where that's at. You know what I mean? Let's mark that. It's a major level. Price reversed from. Let's make it once we're done with our mapping, we're gonna do the same thing for the same thing for Tesla, and then we're good to go. This is a good spot here, which is this zone essentially, really. So let's go ahead and mark here just so we know. It's a good zone. We're basically not gonna place put until it actually goes below here. All right, cool. This is SPY. Pretty simple here, as you guys can see. We can go ahead and compare it with the 30-minute just to verify everything's smooth. Right? Smooth. Yep. The zone right here. We're good. We are all set for SPY right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla, and then we're gonna be trading once the market opens. This is the 30 minutes for Tesla. So let's go ahead and go to the 10-minute first, just to. Ooh, all right. It's quite the push down here for Tesla here today. The pre-market looking like it's a put. So you guys can see that H pattern here. So we'll see. All right, right off the bat, let's go ahead and mark the high that it went up today. Cool. Next thing is, of course, right here. Go ahead and mark these two. Done. All right. Next thing is right here. As you guys can see, this level supported by here as well too. Let's go ahead and mark that. Cool. Oops. Right there. Yeah, this is also a good one right here. I'm not gonna lie. This week right here. This is definitely a sweet spot for a put. This zone. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on that zone here. All right. Okay. Oh wow, look at this right here too. I've seen this many times. This is an indicator that it's very bearish. Okay, so keep an eye on that, of course. Oof, this is a good one right here, which is currently right below it. Okay, as well as here too. I want to just kind of keep eye on this one, you know. Let me see what the 30-minute looks like. There just seems to be a lot of discrepancies here. Let's just use the 30-minute instead if that's the case. Okay, so this is pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, very good. Good. I think we're gonna keep it at that. We don't need to as for this one, this additional one, this is just for the zone, all right? This one just makes it this a zone. Ideally, we're following this one, of course. Okay, I think we're all set. This looks pretty simple, really. If you think about it. All right, there's a rejection here right now in the 30 minutes here. Oh my goodness. So let's just mark here inside of do you think it's gonna bounce off this morning? Right? So price opened up here, it went all the way down, found a spot to bounce, and came all the way up here, found a ceiling, and went right back down. All right, here we go. All right, so there we go. And this is a good spot, of course, to keep in mind if you were to really go all the way here, you know? All right, cool. Let us sit back and relax now, basically. I'm just marking these levels just in case it goes all the way down here. So I don't have to mark later. All right, this is Tesla. We now sit back and relax and we wait for the opening. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So we'll watch SPY first. And then we'll watch, I'll keep an eye on Tesla on the side. If we see a move on Tesla, we'll definitely put on the main screen. All right, cool. Now we wait for once the market to open. All right, cool. We got less than 2 minutes here before the market opens. Let's take a look here what just happened. All right, cool. So it seems like we're still, are holding this bounce, going all the way up to this potentially here. So we're gonna may likely reverse back from here. This is SPY, by the way. I think we may reverse from here and here between these two. I might trade these two for a put at that level once the market opens. However, if it were to bounce back down, I might also get in on a call here. And that's my plan for SPY once it opens up. As for Tesla, oh my goodness, Tesla is yeah, it went all the way right back down to that one level. Yeah, Tesla is so bearish, bro. All right, that's fine. You think it's likely gonna find a reversal up here? So yeah, we might trade a potential bounce over here. These two spots here. Let's keep that in mind. But ideally, once we're like really that far away from the VWAP, I don't know if I really want to trade a call here for sure. I'd rather be placing puts these levels for Tesla really. But I'm willing to take at least one call if we were to come within this zone here. So that's our plan. That's our plan. However, if we were to bounce off this level and go up here, I'll take a put. Yep, I'll be definitely doing that. So now let us sit back, and they're going to be trading in the next 30 seconds. Your market's going to open. So, all right, here we go. Here we go. Let's have SPY on Q right off the bat. SPY is pretty bullish. SPY, it's, I don't know if I want to say bullish. Yeah, technically it is absolutely bullish when I think about it. Yeah. And we're just kind of holding up here. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, cool. The market is now open. Here we go. It's looking to go below here. It's too early for a put, of course. It's way too early for a put. Kind of watch it here. We're going below this level. Here we go. Wow. Tesla seems to be let's take a look at both. Let's have Tesla in here. You guys can see Tesla how it's trading as well. All right, they're two different colors. That's cool. Here we go. Tesla's making a bounce off to this level here, it appears. We can definitely place a put right here for sure for Tesla. Let's place one put as he approaches that level. SPY is breaking this level. Once he comes here, I'll take a call. For Tesla, once he approaches here, I'll take a put. Once he breaks here, maybe I'll take a put. But ideally, I want to Want to see a bounce off to here. I'm not taking any trades just yet. We're just being very patient here. Right now, Tesla is essentially rejecting this VWAP retest. And SPY, it's essentially, you know, flushing from this level here. If you were to come here, we'll take one call. We'll take a call right here. All right, I think I'm tempted to take a call for Tesla, but I'd rather see this level break. All right, it's breaking it. So let me just take one put just to kind of gauge it. I don't know if I want to. I'm kind of being wishy-washy here in my decision to take a put at this level for Tesla. Really extremely am. Yeah. This is from that bounce yesterday from here. So you guys can see where we ran up. I'll just take one. Right now I took a one put for Tesla. Just kind of struggling. Decided to take it though. It was a bit wasn't sure if it's gonna really break it or not. But if it goes above it, I'll just get out. Okay, we're gonna be selling at this level, of course. Here we go. We're pushing that level. All right, cool. I'm out. Okay, I went ahead and placed the put right here at this level just because we were struggling here. I could definitely gonna be, you know, buying a call here, of course. That's the next big steps to buy a call at this level. So you guys can see we reversed here. Oh, look at that. We're already forming that wick. Okay. I want to wait for it to go all the way there. SPY, I'm waiting for a potential call for SPY at this level. So we're just kind of being patient here. I hope you guys can see I'm waiting for Tesla to go to this level here for me to buy a call. Waiting very patiently. Trying to get as much close as possible. Now I can definitely take a call and have a tight stop loss right here for Tesla. It's a little too soon though. It's very too soon, but I'm going to go ahead and do it and have a tight stop loss right here for Tesla. Literally right here. That's my stop loss for Tesla. Right here. If you go below this line here, we're out. Just to, you know, literally right there is our stop loss for Tesla. I went to the next level, so we do got to get out. If I had two contracts, I'll be getting that first one out and the next one out. Yeah, I wish I had two contracts because that's kind of my strategy. I would have two contracts in place. The first one I'll sell at the first level that it comes to, and the second one I'll wait to see if he breaks it or sell at break even. A nice, beautiful run up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, which we were expected this. That's why I needed to have two, but I wasn't sure, so I was just being extra cautious. So I had to respect my decision, and that's fine. All right, cool. Tesla went extremely up here today, so we'll see now. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Now it's approaching this zone right here. Should we take a put this zone? That's a good question. We can certainly do that. I'll see what happens. I'll take one light put here at this zone for Tesla. Again, we're trading this zone. If it goes above this zone, we're out, all right? We took one put at this zone here. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Making a dump right now. If we go above this zone, we're out. If we don't, we can just hold it. Wow, what a rejection cool off for Tesla. Ah man, it's the view of retest right now. I want to just get out real quick. Again, I'm just following my rules. I'm trading with one contract today, as you guys can see. A very light day because tomorrow, I believe, today is the last day for the market, really. So far, so good. So far, so good. We are following our plan. The only thing that I'm doing different today is that I'm not adding at least two contracts, which I normally do. Have at least two contracts. Two contracts for at least for Tesla, and for SPY, you know, between 2 to 4 contracts for SPY. And yeah, so had I had two contracts here, I'll be selling the first one right here at the VWAP retest, and the other one once we break this below this level. That's when I sell the other one. So because I only had one contract in place, I'm still following my plan regardless. All right. So that's that. We are right now $65 up for the day already. This quick scalping that we're doing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, really. I mean, oh my goodness. Could have banked even more, for sure, for sure. Now, once he crosses the zone, you can certainly place it put. You know what I mean? Right now, my ideal focus is SPY. SPY. I'm gonna still consider Tesla bullish for as long as they're holding above this line. I want to see if SPY is gonna approach this level. Okay, SPY is approaching this level here. Could it be possible that it could dip right here? So that's why I'm gonna just get one in and the other one in like right here, and then we'll see if it breaks this whole area. Isn't that impressive that I literally traded this zone right here? Because we understand how supply and demand work, right? Look at this right here. I've seen this many times. Look at this little candle, you know? All right, here we go. Right now we're weakening below this zone here. So I want to see more confirmation below this zone. Yeah, Tesla essentially dipped all the way here. Because I've also bought this. Oh, look at that, bro. So we went ahead and placed the put at this zone. We went ahead and we bought a call at this zone. We understood. We missed here. I think once he went above here, then that's what we did. Okay, here we go. It's holding the zone, so we could potentially see a continued upward. Because this level of wick of rejection here, all these major sellers that stepped in, I don't know. I don't know if Tesla wants to move up. Definitely I'm seeing that, you know, bearish H pattern here. I can definitely place a put right now. I can place a put for Tesla right now, guys. It's weakening to that level. And now I went ahead and placed a put for Tesla. I went ahead and what? Place a put for Tesla for as long as we're below this zone. It's way too early, but anything above the zone, I'm going to just get out. We're above the zone right now. I'm not adding any more. I'm tempted to add one more here. I just said I'm not adding any more yet. I still added it. Isn't that funny? Ooh, pretty scary. I'm a little scared actually, to be honest, that I added maybe perhaps it was too soon that we may not break on the downside at that level. Yep. The slightest hint to green, I'm out. The slightest hint to a green, I'm out. As long as we're showing red on the candle, I'm gonna maintain. At this point, that's literally my stop loss. Oh wow, we open right below the zone. Actually on the zone. Okay, SPY open below the VWAP here in the first 10 minutes, after the first 10 minutes. All right, here we go for Tesla. We're ready to get Tesla once it goes to green, or above, it goes above here. And we are out. It's turning green because it went above it. Oh, it got dumped. It got dumped. Oh, wow. And is it going to get dumped again? Come on, get dumped. If it turns green, I'm going to be ready to get out very, very soon here. It's getting really picked up at the zone. It's struggling, though. Good. Sellers are maintaining this down. Like I said, I have no control here. I'm just simply observing what's going on, and I take my decisions based on what I just said. Follow your rules very simply. That's it. All eyes on Tesla right now. For as long as it's not breaking this zone, I will maintain it. If it goes above it, we're out. That's it. Don't get your hopes and emotions involved. None of that. None of that. Don't do it. Because trading is a probability. Good. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Sellers are really extremely holding this zone here. They really are. Wow. Nice, 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 nice. Do you think we're going to go to that level right here? This level? Do you think I should hold to this level? Right? Do you think I should hold to this level? Let's just keep all eyes on just, what's it called? Tesla at this point, just because we're just heavily involved with Tesla right now. And that's probably going to be our last trade here, whether we win or lose. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hope you guys can see this here. Okay, we need to see this break below here. That'll be nice. This is where essentially ran up, right? Price came here and just had this sudden zoom all the way up here. So we gotta be careful. It might happen again. I won't doubt it. Look at that. Just like that, it's already happening. Yeah. All right, cool. As long as we're below that zone, I'm fine. I'm ready to get out. Additional more buyers came in once the price came back to this level again, which is expected. This happens. And the VWAP is also following it with it. So it could be a potential reversal. That's why I'm being very cautious here. All right, we turn green. Yeah. I was probably a little too late. Yep. Beautiful reversal. Yeah, this is expected, guys. That's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I was fighting it. I knew I was fighting it. But that's all right. That's all right. I'm very happy with the decision that I've made. That's all right. Okay, here we go. I think now we can start to buy a call, essentially, really. It's too. I was trying to place it right now, but I didn't want to get in right here for a call. So we want retest right here. Do you guys notice that once he came back to this zone, then he did that? Because this is literally what happened, right? What happened in that first 10 minutes when the price came in? We had this sudden soof. Exactly. All right, here we go. We went back below the zone again. Let's get in on one. Okay. We got in again because he had a VWAP reject here at this point. We'll see if we're really going to break down this time. Yeah. It's actually doing pretty well even on the 5 minutes. So I think I should probably be cautious here. For a put. I need to be very cautious here for a put. Yeah, I need to be very cautious for a put, guys. It's doing pretty well right now on the 5 minutes. So I need to be cautious for placing a put. I should be focusing on call instead, based on what I'm seeing on the 5 minute right now. Maybe perhaps I'm getting too scared. Probably what it is. When I think about it. I wanna give it a little more time here. I really shouldn't be scared here. Don't be trading like that. It's not a good idea. Yeah, I should be placing a call. Why am I fighting this market, bro? If it's like literally trying to hold this level, why am I fighting the market? Let me just place a call. All right, we're gonna go ahead and place a call holding above this level. Why am I fighting the market, bro, guys? Don't do that. This doesn't mean it's not gonna go down either. But I think at this point, because we're in this zone, we're bounced off like that. I want to just hold a call instead, and kind of have a tight stop loss anything below this zone. Because the 5 minute is just showing too bullish, and I'm glad I'm watching the 5 minute. It's so important to do that. I just realized. Do you notice the difference how our contract is moving as soon as we got on the call? All right, here we go. Anything below this zone, we're out. We are out. The 5-minute is ripping right now. Am I? Oh my goodness, I was looking at the wrong one on the 5-minute. Holy shit. Oops. Oops, 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 oops. Here. Yeah, the 5-minute is a rejection, I should say. I gotta be careful here. We rejected the 5-minute at that level. Yeah, I just wanted to be careful here because I was looking at the wrong one to make a decision on the 5-minute. I just realized. I'm gonna be more cautious here. Just wait. Still very bullish actually. Oh wow, I sold way too soon. Yeah, I sold way too soon, guys. Absolutely way too soon. I sold it. Yeah, I sold way, way, way too soon. I missed this run. Shoot. This would have been 50 bucks added right now. We're fine, we're fine. We're having a very choppy experience right now for some weird reason. And that's alright. That is alright. Okay, now we can buy a call. Came back to the zone again. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's just buy one call here. You got an opportunity to get in on a call since you came right to the zone. We'll hold it through and see if we're going to hold above that zone. Yep. So the 5-minute is rejecting. This is actually quite interesting, guys. You know, I'm going to show you guys something here. I should probably be prepared to get out of this position. I'm starting to see something here. Give me a second. I think I'm going to get out so I can show you guys something here. I think I'm going to get out for a put. There we go. I knew it. I'm seeing something, guys. I'm going to show you guys something before. Let me just place a put right now. I think I'm starting to see something here. I'm going to place a put instead. All right, cool. Let me show you guys something real quick. Oh, what the heck? I got to be careful. Give me a second. After this. Because I don't want to get off the sell button just because... Damn. What the heck's going on? Yeah, we're not doing too well, guys. We're just essentially giving up again. Let me show you guys the 5-minute differences. Okay, now is a put. Okay, we're gonna maintain this put. You guys notice in the 5 minutes we're just consistently holding downward? You see this wick that we got rejected off here and here and here and here? So I'm gonna hold on to this. This is the 5-minute, this is Tesla, and this is SPY. So we're also gonna be using the 5-minute, seeing how it's traded. We also rejected the VWAP 2 times here, and now we're approaching here. So this is we're gonna hold it instead. I think I should have watched the 5-minute. I want to see if we're gonna break this level. This level is still bullish. You gotta be careful here. As you guys can see, we had this major bounce off. But you know, we do have a nice, beautiful wick in the 5 minutes. These two, and as well as here. So far, that means sellers are still in control. Ideally, we don't want to go above the zone, and that's it. That's it. Oh, this is an interesting candle, guys, on the 5-minute. You guys see this candle on the 5-minute? Okay, we're also kind of trending upward, it appears here. As you guys can see on the 5-minute, there seems to be a, nice trend upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we gotta be careful with that. Let me give you guys a trend here. Okay, we're doing a VWAP retest, which is fine. Our stop loss is above the VWAP. Starting to get scared here that we might be going above the VWAP. We're not in the zone right now. Here we go. Anything below this VWAP, we're fine to hold. We got a nice, beautiful candle here. We need to be very cautious. It could spike up on us. Go to the VWAP and we're out. We need to see a rejection on the VWAP on the 5-minute. On the 10-minute, we did open up in that zone, so we're essentially kind of bullish, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we're actually bullish. We might be bullish. Here we go. Wow, we really are holding that zone. You see that? So yeah, we might take a major L on this. I'm gonna go ahead and accept that. I'm ready to get out. What I'm assessing so far. But we'll see, we'll see. And if I'm wrong, great. I can kind of assess as to why I'm wrong and understand it. But if I'm right, great. That means my knowledge, it's all right. Okay, cool. So that means we got a wick on the zone so far in the 5-minute and as well as the 10-minute up here. So we are rejecting the zone officially. Finally. Hopefully we don't get any more retests of the VWAP. All right, I want to see a break at this level at this point. Do you think we're going to get a break at this level? We are going back to it. That bounce that we did on the 10-minute. Doing a nice trend up here, it appears. Let me just mark that. Okay, I had to mark that trend that I'm noticing on the 5-minute. Again, ideally you want to mark trends on the low on the higher time frame. Okay, here we're just holding above the trend right now. We need to beat this wick here. Should I add one more put? No. That'd be oversizing. I'll be breaking my rule for Tesla. I said Tesla is up to 3 contracts. That's my max. So I'm not gonna do that. That's it. I'm not gonna break my rule. Okay, we got a beautiful wick upward here. We may be pushing up now. We did close at the low, so that's nice to see that in the 5-minute. There we go. Is this price gonna go to the zone here? Then I'll be really worried. Oh, it's going to the zone. Damn. I'm so tempted to add just one here, guys. Just to see it, if it's gonna break the outside of that zone, and it really is. Here we go. I'm gonna get up very soon if it goes breaking that zone. This zone right here. On the 5-minute. And this is the 10-minute here. Swatch both. This is pretty scary. Can we get an extreme dump? That's kind of what I'm looking forward to. Right now we bounce off this level, so you know, we'll see what happens. You got a nice move down here. With 4 contracts in place, it's kind of moved down, and yet we're barely making money. This is a major sign, guys. This is a what? Major sign. That, at least that's just what I think. I hope I'm wrong, actually. I'm 4 contracts deep, and yet I'm gonna go ahead and 1 out. It's because we're at that level. All right, cool. We open well below that zone. That's nice. In the 5-minute. Nice. We're getting a break. We'll go to the next level here. Let's go ahead and get 1 out at this level. Oops. Supposed to sell it right here. Oh, yeah, we could bounce off this level in it. This is also another level we're going to be going against. That's fine. That's fine. We took some money out. Took 1 out as he approached this level, but we got it a little bit off here. Yep, this is expected. This is probably what is brewing. So yeah, we got to be careful here. All right, here we go. We're going back to that zone again. Nice, beautiful pickup here at this level. All right, here we go. We break the zone, we're out. I'm not adding anymore. At this point, I don't want to go against this new buyers that stepped in at this level. So we gotta respect it if we don't have strength enough to break it on the downside. By the way, they're both Tesla. Both screens are Tesla. And we're going to the zone. I'm gonna get out very soon. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. Should I add one more just because we're just hovering at that zone? I decided to do it though. Here we go. I added one more put. And I saw a wick here just below it. But again, I wouldn't recommend you would do that. And our put is not moving as strong as the call was, so this could be definitely a potential reversal at this level. Here we go. We had a 10-minute close here, 10-minute. Another, this is also 10 minutes, still showing red. Again, this is our stop loss here, this zone. So we gotta be very prepared to get out if the price goes to that zone. That's it. That's it. Yeah, nice push up. Here we go. Now it's going to the zone. We're gonna be getting out very soon here. Nice push up. Is literally holding now. Here we go. 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 Look at the 10-minute as well. Look how much is holding. Yep. We gotta be careful here. We don't want to see the 10-minute turn green here. I'm gonna place one more. I really shouldn't do it. No. Don't oversize. Don't do it. Well, 4 is fine. Because I'm really close to my stop loss. I'll do it. Hopefully we dump here because I did add it. I don't think we will. But we'll see. We'll see, guys. I'm just gonna get out very soon as we turn green on that 10-minute. We turn green on that 10-minute and we start to move above this zone. I'm out. But if we break down, again, reject this zone, at that point, I can confidently just like hold it all the way down, bruh. But again, don't fall in love with the potential. Don't do it. Make decision based on what's in front of you. And trading is a probability. Get your emotions out. There's nothing you can control. And have a system that you're going to follow. Just like a robot. That's it. I like that we're rejecting here on the 5 minutes here. Nice. Just holding that, rejection at this level. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right, here we go. Going back to that zone again. Okay, we got a push down. That's nice. Okay. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna show you guys this screen here. Here we go. We opened up. We closed below the below this trend here in the 5 minutes. That's nice. At least a good indication we might continue for the push up. I like that we did not go to the zone, so that means sellers are really strong holding this zone. So we're gonna continue to hold this for contracts until we see a break here. We want to see a break here. We want to see a break there. If we do see a break there, great. And we're gonna start to scale off slowly. That's just what we're gonna be doing. That's it. Nothing special at this point here. Can we see a break here? That's what I want to see. That's it. That's it. Can we see a break here? Come on. All right. Here's our P&L here. I'll make it here. I'll bring it down. Okay. Here we go. Can we see a break? Come on, break. Remember, don't fight the market. Follow your strategy. I have to keep saying this, guys, because Most traders, when they trade and all that stuff, they get their emotions involved and, kind of like, come on, go to my side. I just don't want to trade like that, because I've come to understand really, when it comes to trading, you have to have a different thinking than the real world. And that's the thinking of probability. That's it. That's it. All right, here we go. Here we go. We're doing another test up here, it appears, on the 5-minute. We also turn green on the 10-minute measurement here. So let's be prepared. Let's be prepared that this could be the one that's going to break it. We need to see this first line of defense being broken. And it appears to be we might get that right now. Very tempted to get one out right now. Very tempted, but I'm going to wait for a break. That's my plan. Nice. We're now in. We cracked the first line of defense. Even on the 10 minutes here, we cracked it. Again, we're still bullish technically. Well, not bullish, but the very fact that we're still above here, I still have to be cautious. All right, cool. We cracked the first line of defense. I'm going to get one out. Here we go before we get a wick right now. I'm going to get one more out before we get another wick. All right, cool. We're just following our plan. What did I say? Once we get a crack at that level, I'm going to be buying. All right, here we go. And now guess what? We're going to move our stop loss from the VWAP at this bar here to all the way down here now. At this point, we're going to be selling for break even. That's it. I think at this point, we're just going to go all the way back down. So at least I'm seeing that is that weak. But of course, we still got to follow our plan. All right, we just need to see this. Oh, okay. It's bouncing up. It's bouncing up. It is bouncing up. It's good that we cracked it. That's nice at least. So this is now our stop loss, and that's fine. We'll just call it a day. I need to see something. Yeah, we need to break this. This is yesterday's run up here. Yeah, this is yesterday's run up. Oh my goodness, look at this. We're literally facing this, guys. This is against us here. I'm gonna cool off just the very fact that I realized how much push up that he did yesterday at this level. I want to just ease off my risk here. It's not worth it. Despite the likelihood that it might go up. So I decided just to do that, just to be more cautious here. All right, here we go. That it could go up above here. That's why I did it. All right, here we go. You guys can see this run up here yesterday. We'll just have one in place. All right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe do this. See if this is better. Oh my goodness. All right. Is this better or what? Or no? This is a better view. Okay, we only got one contract. Oh wow, we went straight to here. What? I'm gonna get out. We went straight to that level and we cracked it. Wow, we could have made a lot of money today. We could have made a lot of money today, and that's all right. That's cool. All right, let's get to one screen real quick and just do a quick review here. We did follow our plan regardless here, guys. We followed our plan. That's what matters. We followed our plan. All right, cool. We're gonna have to call it a day here. I know we put a lot of money. We left some profit, I would say. Had I not sold that one, what's it called? Had I not sold that one contract that I recently just did, I think we could have done way better than $78, especially when it cracked here. There was no reason for me to have done that. I just got a little bit, maybe got a little scared, I will say, the fact that, at this level we had this much a run up. I already marked it, but the fact that I'm seeing it again, how much it did, kind of, got to me. I should have just maintained my plan and said, hey, you know what? I'm going to follow my plan. Just sell here if it goes back to that level or for break even. But that's all right. I respect that decision that I've made, and I'm done. All right? But this is a good trade. I just found the value that also looking at the 5 minutes while I'm trading the 10 minutes is actually quite very helpful. I just realized that. So um, I'm gonna maintain that. So there we go. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and end the day with the 78 bucks, put it in the bank, and go to the next day for green. Appreciate you all for joining the channel. Please put a comment and with your suggestion on what you saw today and what I could improve on this trade. Obviously it's very clear that, it's straight, selling pressure here, You rarely see this, right? And so yeah. With that I said, HRT.